Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. In building a startup, the financial model is a key step in validating the viability of the business. Templates can educate on what to include and how to format it, but it's best to start from scratch. Every founder should build their own financial model at the beginning of the company so you thoroughly understand it. In fundraising, investors use the financial model for the following: to check how changes such as increasing or decreasing revenue will impact the business, to check your understanding of the business with respect to costs, revenues, and growth rates, to check how you will use the funds raised for the business as the financial model shows expenses and impact on the revenue, to check when you will go cash flow positive or break even, to check to see how much runway the proposed fundraise will give you. This verifies you're raising sufficient funds to accomplish your goals. You will need a detailed financial model to track your progress in running the business. Include the financial model in your presentation, but at a high level showing last year, this year, and the next 3 years. Building the financial model is not about predicting the future, but rather demonstrating how much you know about your business. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start asking today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.